This is the MTPredictor weekly market update for April 19th. So let's start, just a quick update here. Let's start with the S&P. Remember, we had our what we deem a significant high here, this decision point resistance, which was, this is a daily chart, but this was a weekly decision point resistance level here. And if that's the case, that is a potential trend change. We get a sell-off here. This is a potential wave 1 in a new trend down. And remember, we looked for this A, B, C correction, and we've reached the minimum wave C target. This could be a potential wave 2 here. So a 1 down, an A, B, C, and wave 2. That's when Elliott said that's the best time to be a seller in this case after an important high. Wait for the sell-off, and then the first A, B, C correction is where you want to be the seller. So we can project wave 3 down here now with the tools and the software. Let's go for down wave 3. We start at the significant high, bottom of 1 up to 2, and this projects the typical wave 3 target, which is going to be just above 1980 in the ES current contract, right around 1984, 1985 here. Not bad years. So that's the potential here. Now the Dow and the NQ are still in longs. Those trades are stops at break even there because we've gone beyond that 100% initial risk line. But this is the pattern that we have to watch for here. And the other thing we want to look at is the Dow Transports. Okay, here's the chart of the Dow Transports, and we talked about how the Dow Transports, when the markets were making new highs, the Dow Transports here failed to make a new high. In other words, that divergence is a negative for stocks, and you can see where the transports are here. In fact, I think back here we took out these prior lows here, which again is another negative indicator. After the long here hit the target, that was as far as things went, and then we took out these prior lows here. So maybe a leading indicator for the markets. We'll see, and if that's the case, then we'll probably see that wave 3 target down in the S&P. All right, let's look at the dollar index, because that also the software called a correction there. Here's your daily chart here. This TS3 was this ABC correction to this up move here, and you can see the dollar has gone beyond the 100% initial risk line, so it stops to break even there. And you see the target there's initial target is about 5.2R, around 95.20. If this does go wave 3 down here, you're looking at right around 91.30. Alright, so we'll see how that plays out. Take a look at oil. Had a nice rally. So we had our low here in oil where the DP buy signal was. That rally gave the correction back to this wave 4 DP, and we talk about if this level holds as resistance and the trend which was down prior should continue down. But you can see now they began to take it out to the upside here. So we've reached the next level decision point resistance here. Right, if this gets through this level, we've got room to move to the upside here in oil. We'll see if this level is able to hold, and that'll kind of hold things back in below this kind of 58 level. And then the larger degree support, there's some support here. This is daily support off of the DP swing low there, but just below 40 is the monthly support down there. And then finally we'll take a look at gold. Again, gold just kind of holding above that 1200 level. It's that bull bear line that we talked about. Right, we do have a potential important low here with high volume. In other words, professionals stepping in and buying at the level here. An initial rally, we're getting a correction. We'll see if maybe this unfolds as an ABC correction to this up move here. If so, we may have a larger move ahead, but not quite there yet. We'll see. In fact, if I just look for here's the wave 2 or B. So if we get an A, B, C correction in this wave 2 level, then we may have a larger move coming out of here. We'll see. All right, we'll wrap it up there. Have a good rest of your trading week, and we'll see you back next Sunday.